Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Priyesh. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey towards unlocking your online earning potential? If so, you're in the right place. On this channel, we're dedicated to providing you with valuable insights, strategies, and motivation to thrive in the world of online earning, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, and beyond. In our very first video, we're laying the foundation for what you can expect from Digital Priyesh. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur looking to expand your online presence or someone just starting out in the digital realm, we've got something for everyone. Join us as we delve into the dynamic world of online earning, exploring innovative ways to generate income, mastering the art of affiliate marketing, leveraging the power of digital marketing, and fueling your journey with inspirational content to keep you motivated every step of the way. But remember, this journey isn't just about us. It's about you. We want to hear from you, your experiences, your challenges, and your victories. Together, we'll create a vibrant community where we can learn, grow, and succeed together. So, if you're ready to take charge of your financial future and unlock the door to endless possibilities, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends who are also ready to dive into the world of online earning. Get ready to transform your life and achieve your dreams. Welcome to Digital Priyesh, where online earning meets inspiration. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. Let's do this. Remember, your support means the world to us. Thank you for being a part of our journey.